I actually didn't use all of the egg. I swirl it around and get a good surface area to it. So this is a very thin omelet. What we're going to do is cook it, take it out, roll it, and julienne it up. So then you can add it to stir-fried vegetables, to your like fried rice. It's delicious accompaniment. So that is pretty much it. So now I'm just going to remove it, keep it a little bit more. Shouldn't have asked you onto the stage to echo me while I'm doing my eggs. Yes, I know. That's exactly what I was just thinking. So at this point, I just cut it very, very thin. And now you take this and if you add that to stir-fried rice, or you add that to your sauteed vegetables as you're doing it with a bit of like hoisin sauce or oyster sauce and soy sauce, it's a delicious, delicious accompaniment. So now I'm going to do scrambled eggs. And this is what you're going to be sampling today with our smoked salt, sea salt that we make down in Bonavista Vista with the Newfoundland Salt Company. My plug. So if you couldn't hear that, it's the Newfoundland Salt Company. We're based out of Bonavista Vista. We make sea salt. Just to clarify, me and my lovely wife Robin, sitting over there, we make sea salt. You can buy it just over there. It's not very far. So a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. How many eggs should I do? You got a lot there, right? Okay, I'll do just 2. Yeah. So I'll do 2 eggs here, and we have a bunch of eggs ready. Get my butter melted. Anybody cook eggs every day? Every day? Sometimes? It's good. It's a good breakfast. Eggs are very, very good. The egg people should be paying me. I'm just... They're giving us eggs, so it's great. It works out good. Newfoundland eggs are great eggs. They're the best eggs. Eggs are something that we produce enough of, right? We produce enough eggs to sustain ourselves. We don't need to import eggs. There's no reason we should. Yeah. There we go. So, not a high heat on your eggs, on the scrambled eggs. I keep it moving slowly. This will make a fluffy, wet scrambled egg. As I said a few minutes ago, I really hate the omelets chopped up and masked as a scrambled egg. I'm there now. And that's it. That didn't take very long. You're finishing.
They seem as if they may not be cooked or a bit wet. But the flavor of egg is just, it's not all cooked out. You know, it's delicious. You taste the egg. The texture is different. And the flavor is all there.
Yeah. That should be tons. And so now we're going to get the sample ready for you guys to try. We're going to put our juniper smoked salt on it. So I physically smoked this myself. I built a smoker. We go out in the morning when we go to smoke it and take the juniper boughs with the berries still on it and smoke it for 6 to 8 hours. And then it gets a really nice smoky flavor come through the salt. And you guys will get to try it. An egg is a perfect way to combine that. Salt and eggs. And thank you, everybody, for sitting down and listening to me talk early this morning. I don't know how anyone does it. Listen to me ramble on about something. Thank you very much.